Okay, this is Chef George here. So I'm gonna be telling you today how to do the most amazing, the best, delicious quiche. It's a Lebanese quiche. So yesterday I made this courgette dish. You can see it on the playlist. So this is stuffed courgette. What I did is I took out what's on the inside of the courgette, and here you can see they are all here. So what we will do today is we're gonna be using the inside of the courgette to do the most delicious quiche. So the first step, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and get 2 teaspoons of salt, and we want to put it on the courgette fillings here. And the reason why we're doing that is we want to get all the water out of it, so the quiche will not be soggy. And so you need to mix it really well, and after you mix it really well, you would need to leave it for half an hour. So we're gonna leave it for half an hour after mixing it really well here. And what happens is that the salt gets all the water out of our amazing courgette here. Okay, that's it. So that's the stage 1. Okay, look at these amazing ingredients here. We're gonna mix them all together to make our beautiful, wonderful quiche today. So I told you to soak this for half an hour. Now what I did is I drained it, so it's very dry, as you can see. What I need to do is I need to go ahead and put it in. So this is the courgette here. I put it in our bowl. And then what I do is I add 6 eggs. So 6 eggs here. I just literally add it to the courgette mix. Okay, I have prepared yesterday the meat and onion. So here you have around 150 grams of minced meat cooked, and then you add onions on them. You fry the onions with them, about half an onion, and then you add salt and white pepper and cinnamon, a dash of each. So here I'm gonna be going ahead and adding them. This is so good. It's very delicious. So I'm adding it to the quiche mix. 1 tomato. You need to chop it like very fine. So this is the 1 tomato here. This is chili powder and white powder. So a dash of chili powder and white powder here. This is 1 tablespoon of tahini. Tahini sauce, the sesame seed. I made it from scratch. If you would like to know how to make tahini from scratch, please do comment and I will teach you. I will do a video just for the tahini, how to make it. So here it's 1 tablespoon. I need to add a bit here. So that's 1 tablespoon of tahini. After we have done this, this is very optional. 50 grams of sun-dried tomato. Again, it's optional. You don't have to add this if you don't have it. And then finally, for our mix, we will add 2 garlic cloves here. There we go. We press them in. Here, there we go. That's it. The garlic gives the Mediterranean flavor. You know, without garlic and onions, you don't have a Lebanese dish. This is very famous in our cuisine. Garlic. Okay, so that's the garlic here. It's all done. What I need to do now is I need to mix these together and then take you to level 3. So that was level 2. By the way, in the meantime, you need to put your oven on 180 degrees. So heat it up, 180 degrees fan. And then we're gonna add all this now to make our quiche. Okay, wonderful. Now we have them. So you have the choice here either to use one kind of container to put the quiche, or do it in 2 smaller one. I prefer 2 smaller one because then I can eat one today and leave the other one intact for tomorrow. So what you need to do here is you need to add, this is the mix, you just add it here. You need to add about 3 centimeters. I think that would be great. 3-4 centimeters, and here we add as well 3-4 centimeters. And there we go. And then what I would do is I would add feta cheese. We have here about 100 grams of feta cheese. You don't have to use 100 grams. You just literally try to cover it here. After the feta cheese, I put mozzarella. Now you don't have to use mozzarella. You can use cheddar cheese. You can use any yellow cheese really. But in that case, I'm gonna be using mozzarella, and the idea, about like half a cup here of mozzarella, you just cover the top. Okay, and here you cover it. You use as much mozzarella as you want, according to the taste here, your taste, and there we go. So now we need to pop it into the oven. And okay, so now we're gonna put them in the oven like this. Put them in the middle. So the oven was preheated on 180 fan, and now we put them for 30 minutes. And then we can always, it's safe to check them 5 or 10 minutes before the 30 minutes, so maybe in 20 minutes. Alexa, set the alarm in 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
See you very soon. Okay, so now we are ready. Are you ready to see what I'm gonna see? Check this out. So, we're gonna be getting gloves here. Okay, so now, as you can see, look how amazing this quiche is. Absolutely beautiful. It's sizzling hot, so watch out as you're taking it out. Put it here, and then this is the next one. We put it here. So yeah, this is after around 27 minutes. I would say leave it 30 minutes. Check it after 25 minutes, and this is what you're gonna be having. What I do is I serve it with salad. It's amazing. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner. So it's such an amazing, easy dish here for us today. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. All the best.